Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth if it's connected, but there's no sound. Now let's head into the settings app of your iPhone. And the first thing that we're going to do is scroll down and make sure that the sound is turned on. Now this sounds simple, but they're actually two different sound sliders. So we're going to make sure both of them are turned on as much as possible. So as you scroll down from here, you can see under notifications is sounds and haptics. So let's tap on that. You'll be able to see it says ringtone and alerts. This is the first sound slider, and this is just for ringtones and alerts for your notifications. This is the same one that you can use the volume up and volume down on the side of your phone. So if this is all the way down, make sure to toggle it all the way on. And you can see that it's fairly loud. However, this isn't the same volume slider if you're listening to YouTube videos or to music. To get to that, we need to swipe down from the top right. So if we swipe down, you can see it's still muted here. So let's turn this all the way up. So we have both sound sliders all the way up. Check to see if at that point you can hear sound in your Bluetooth device, whether it's headphones, a speaker, car, whatever it may be. Now, if that still doesn't work, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. At the very beginning of your settings, let's tap on the Bluetooth option, that third option down. And you can see it's on. An easy fix is just to toggle this off, wait for a few seconds, and then just toggle it back on and see if it reconnects to the external Bluetooth headphone, speaker, whatever it may be. Now, if it's not connecting, what we're going to do is tap on it to try to connect to it, and it will try to go through the process of connecting. But if it's still not working, we can tap that little I right next to it. And what we're going to do is hit forget this device and then forget. Essentially, this will remove that device from your list, and then you'll just see it pop up under other devices, and you'll just tap on it to reconnect to it after the fact. Now, if you go through this process and it still doesn't work, then the last thing we can do is go back out of here, and in your settings, from here, we're going to tap on the general option midway down, and then we're going to scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom, you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Let's tap on that option, and now let's tap on where it says reset. Once we tap on that, you can see it says reset were network settings. Essentially, these are all of the settings associated with your Bluetooth, but also internet and cell, all that stuff. So let's tap on that, and then just enter in the passcode for your phone and reset those network settings. If that still doesn't work for you, the next thing we can do on your iPhone is to do a force restart on it. To be able to do that, we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until we see an Apple logo. I'll show you how it works. So volume up here, volume down, and press and hold that side button. You can see it says slide to power off, but just keep holding it, even though it says that the entire iPhone screen will go black. And then you'll be able to see an Apple logo appear. After that Apple logo appear, you've done a forced restart on that phone, and it fixes all kinds of Bluetooth issues. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.